Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel, Planet IX, the game. We talked about it before and we mentioned many great things about this game, and they're also coming with good news now. There is a cargo drop. We will go through it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not a financial advice, and as usual, everything is linked down below in the description, and let's get into it. So guys, here we are again on the platform. Let me quickly recap what's going on here. Planet, it's a game constructing the whole planet with these hexagonal shapes over here, and each one of these you can play, you can hold, you can stake, you can interchange, you can just build or develop on your own and then transform the ownership to other players as well. And then you can see here that each one of these hexagonal shapes is holding some intrinsic value or some rarity. Some are capital cities, some are rural areas, some are oceans, some are just pieces of land. So depending on the piece of land you're choosing or the piece of land you're putting your hand on, you will get some added and extra benefits. Many people are so amazed by this game. Many people are getting involved in this game, and as I showed you before, we will get into that also in a second, but the Twitter community here is just exponentially growing. It's currently at 14.3 thousand followers. So what's unique in this video here? The cargo drop. The cargo drop here, you can read this link, everything is linked down below in the description. The Planet IX cargo drop and gravity grade anniversary pack. As you can see here, they will be introducing a video, or that's an introductory video. Let's play it together and see what's going on and what's it all about. After massive success or massive pump from people that they are developing much more into the game and getting more control over what's going on, as you can see here, they are developing or deploying this cargo pack. This cargo here will include some surprises for you, or a package or a bundle for you to get in at a bargain price. Let's put it this way. As you can see here, that's Agents of Change. It's incredible to think about the support we've received since the launch of Planet IX, and it was actually like so. Many people are talking about Planet IX, many people got involved in Planet IX, and it has seen a massive surge in number of users and number of people excited about such a project. So as a thank you, or as an extra advantage, you can also find this cargo drop. Cargo drop meaning that you will receive a cargo, and each cargo will be including one of these three, or the three things we will be talking about over here. One lucky cat, one meta share, and one loot crate. These things over here will be coming for you as an early adopter at a bargain price, or if you're still new, you can get it starting at 119 USD. And there will be a cap here, so you might need to get a bit earlier, or you need to make your mind a bit earlier. I always recommend you to get yourself more informed before you make any decision, but here I would say they're already established. They have been around for quite some time. I have personally talked about this project many times, and I would say with a certain degree of confidence that they are in to win. So I would say that they're having also a cap of 50,000 total supply, so you might need to make your decision a bit earlier, and then you can get the cargo and then opening it and find the surprises within. As you can see here, here is the price and discount. Let me zoom it in so we can talk more about what's going on. One cargo drop, this will be 119 USD, and you can get 20% on the bronze badge and 25% discount on the silver badge, and the gold badge you will be getting 30% discount. And as you can see here, if you get 5 cargo drops, you will get the price lower, and 50 cargo drops, you will get 30% drop in the price. So it will be a massive opportunity for you to snatch everything at such a low price and get yourself more involved in the game and get yourself developing these pieces of land and even staking and making return out of that in the longer run. So as you can see here, some added advantages: top 10 buyers, 100 lucky cat meta shares, and 10 golden raffle tickets. We talked about the golden raffles before, and the top 100 buyers, they will get 10 lucky cats and 1 golden raffles, and all buyers will get 10 golden raffle tickets anyway. So it's just a pool of advantages and pool of perks here within this drop. As you can see, also you can get massive legendary packs, rare packs, and uncommon packs within the offer itself, and you will open the door for even wider benefits as long as you're getting involved and you're developing within the game. So you will see that there's an opportunity here to be snatched as early as you can, of course, and as early as possible, so the rarer you will find things in the future. So let's go to something also rather important here we will need to discuss. That's the white paper 2.0. They are tweaking things, they are starting to adapt, and I would say they're starting to restructure some aspects within the game. And as you can see here, the mission control. What's mission control? Of course, everything is linked down below and you can read it, but let me recap here quickly. Mission control will be the hub that gives each AOC an overview of their game in assets, meaning that you will have more control of the assets you have, and you can claim extra benefits. As you can see here, that's a screenshot of what's going on. You can claim, or you can also build on empty spaces as well. So here you will have an overview, an over control of what's going on, and then you can also add or stake even more benefits. As you can see also here, the Pixar Territory NFTs, this will be organized within this hexagonal shape, and you will gain more fluidity in playing and more trust and more accountability of what you're having, and also you will get more control over the whole thing. Waste NFT. What's Waste NFT? Let me quickly go over the Waste NFT. Here they are assuming that Planet IX is covered in trash, and the mission now is to clear the planet of waste. Of course, it's kind of more environmental damage, and you know, the whole story, they're trying to simulate the whole planet Earth in some way or another. So this will be also an additional task or an additional NFT to help you gain more control over the Planet IX. So as you can see here, also they're updating the staking in mission control, so you can have more access and more control over what's going on, and you can have the bonus loot. The more you get involved, the more you get interactive, the more you play, the more you get involved in the whole project, you will be 0.5% chance of waste collected to be bonus loot as well. On top of that, players find the bonus loot there, 50% chance that it will be a loot chest NFT, meaning that you will get extra benefits once you're getting involved. Everything is linked down below in the description, so you can read it more in details and get yourself more informed. And let's quickly recap here that the community is getting exponentially higher and higher every single day. As you can see here, it's 14.3 thousand followers on Twitter, and Twitter for me is just a compass to see whether the project is growing or is just standing still. Here you can see clearly it's growing and growing and growing. People are getting interactive. You can always ask questions, you can always get involved, you can always have any inquiry, and the people themselves, not even the people on the project, the people involved in the project, people like you and me, they're just happy to answer your questions, sharing information, sharing experience, and things are all about the community over here. So that was the quick thing I want to mention here with this game. Highly recommend you to check it out. Everything is linked down below in the description, as I told you. And let's quickly have a look at the white paper here to see what's going on in the white paper itself. As you can see, it will open up, and as I informed you in the other article, everything is going to improve, everything is going to enhance. The same exact table of content and the thing, you will find it here in a more appealing way in the white paper. You can get through it and you can read through it and inform yourself more and more and get involved in what's going on. As you can see here, they're detailing even further and further what's going on, and single staking, energy NFT staking, landmark NFT staking, everything in greater detail, so you can have a holistic overview of what's going on. Here they also updated the roadmap. This year they still have some milestones to reach, and then they will be developing further and further. And then the good thing is that once you're an early adopter, you somehow have the voice and you're somehow having the influence to, I don't know, participate maybe in the process of developing the game or making some key and effective decisions. As you can see here, they're planning a lot of events for 2023 next year, and then the future will be great for this game. So I would also invite you to have a look at the white paper. It's on their website here on the left side. You can just go for the white paper, get yourself more involved and accumulate as much information as you can, and then you will find that this game is going exponentially growing. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the cargo drop from Planet IX. Such a great opportunity if you like this game, such a great opportunity actually to snatch a good deal at a good price, and it will open the door for many advantages within the game itself if you're an early adopter. So I would highly recommend you to check the link down below, and as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and leave any comment you might have in the comment section below, and until next video, bye bye.